Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make your old phone fast again. So let's get started. All you have to do right now is open your setting button, and I want to show you how you can free up some space. You can directly go to the storage. You can find storage setting. Here you can free up some space. If you have limited space, make sure minimum you have about 5 GB free space. And also you can clean up some junk from your phone here. For example, there is some junk here in my phone, like cache here for like for this one, cache junk here, like YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, Chrome, and some games. Just clear up the space here to delete cache here. And also, if you have this feature, virus or malware or even adware can make your phone slow, you can scan it here. Scan the virus. No need a third-party software, because the third-party software like a cleaner application from Play Store can make your phone slow. And also make sure your phone is free by close all the tab. Make sure only one tab. And also the main culprit that make your phone slow is your storage and unneeded application. So you can go search your applis in your setting, so you can uninstall the unneeded unnecessary application from your phone. So especially application that have a lot of ads, make sure you uninstall that apps. And also you can clear up some photo or video, you can back it up before you delete it. And the point is, how to make your old phone fast again is clean up. You can clean up or clear up your storage. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click the next button below. See you in the next video.